What differentiates successful startups from failing startups and successful teams from failing teams?
So you shouldn't start a business before you find the right product and the right customer. Or you see that it's working somehow and you will, for example, just find the right pricing.
The biggest mistake a startup can make is choosing the wrong people. And then the question becomes, well, who is the wrong person? And how does one identify the wrong person?
Well, every book says that team. What I learned from the investor point of view is that you only get to know people and really understand them once you invest, when you see how they handle your money or the money of the fund that you represent.
Yeah, so I think this is the most crucial job or the most crucial part when founding a new venture, because you can always pivot the idea, but it's really hard to change the founding team.